Welcome back to the SQL Problem Series. This week we have gone through complex queries on Tuesday, slow performance on Wednesday, and data quality issues on Thursday. Now, on this Friday, let's dive into silent but very common troublemaker in SQL, data type mismatches. Sometimes your SQL query looks absolutely correct on the surface, but it still refuses to run properly or gives you wrong result. One of the biggest reasons for that is a mismatch between the data type of your column and the value you are comparing it with. Think of it like this: if one person is speaking in numbers and the other is speaking in text, they will never truly understand each other. That's what happens when you compare an integer column to a string value. SQL doesn't treat them equal. You can see the example here. Each of these looks harmless, but in SQL they are enough to break your query or give unexpected result. Dates are probably the most frustrating examples. If your column is in date format, but you filter using text like date and inverted comma, SQL may not recognize it. The format matters, and unless both sides speak the same language, the query simply won't return what you expect. So, how do you avoid this? The simplest step is to use the right data type when creating your tables. Don't store numbers as text and don't keep dates inside the column where the text are. Also make sure your query matches the data type of the column, and when you can't avoid a mismatch, use casting function, but do it carefully. One quick tip here: don't cast everything unnecessarily. If you wrap your where condition inside cast or convert, SQL can't use indexes properly. That might solve your mismatch problem, but at the cost of performance. So only cast when absolutely needed. And with today's topic on data type mismatches, we officially wrap up the SQL problem series. Throughout this week, we have covered some of the most common challenges SQL developers face, from complex queries, slow performance, data quality issues, to those tricky mismatches. I hope these episodes helped you to see SQL problem in a simpler, more practical way. But this is not the end. It's just the end of this series. I'll be coming back soon with a brand new series on another exciting topic. So stay tuned, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next series.